What's up YouTube? How's it going? Today we're going to talk about how to find success with affiliate marketing. In our last videos we covered so many things, so if you haven't checked them out already, please go check them out, especially if you're new to affiliate marketing. And the last videos that we posted, to recap a little bit, are what is affiliate marketing, the benefits, and what you need to start an affiliate program. I also talked about lucrative dog affiliate programs and the difference between a website and a sales funnel and which one is better. So go check these videos out if you haven't checked them out already. And one last thing, don't forget to subscribe. On this channel, you will learn to generate passive income with affiliate marketing. The biggest things you must do to find success is, number one, you need to niche down and you need to niche out. And you need to ask yourself these three questions. Does it interest you? Are you willing to spend money? And this is one that you really do need to do your research and really find out that, the niche you're in, what are people willing to spend money on, and are they actually spending money on the niche? Is there more than one product that I can sell? You don't want to be stuck with just one product and then realize, oh my god, I don't have nothing else to sell, and then you just find yourself trying to find another niche. So don't forget to ask yourself those three questions before you select the niche. Does it interest you? Are you willing to spend money? And is there more than one product that you can sell? So don't forget to ask yourself those three questions before you select the niche. Does it interest you? Are you willing to spend money? And is there more than one product that you can sell? I want to remind you that the top niches where there's money to be made are these right here. You have your hobbies, you have wealth, you have health, and you have your relationships. Okay, and you might be asking, why do we want to niche down? Believe it or not, there's a lot of groups of people that have been doing this for a very long time, and they've been doing this in the different niche categories. The ones that we talked about here, hobbies, wealth, health, or relationships. So they have a lot of money and they have a lot of websites that are working for them specifically in these niches, and because they've been doing this for a long time. But I don't want you to worry about that. This is why we're going to niche down and we're going to niche out. There's plenty of room for everyone, and that's why we're talking about niching down and niching out so we can stand out. And that's why we're asking ourselves these three questions so we don't get discouraged as we jump into affiliate marketing. And here are some examples as to how do you niche down and out. The first one, let's talk about financial wealth and money wealth. This is a big, huge money maker, but the problem with this one, it's very competitive. Everybody wants to be in this. So something that I'm doing in my personal experience is that I'm using my technical skills and my knowledge, creating educational content using the same tools and strategies my potential clients will be using whenever they build their online business. Another example is with the health and fitness. Here's another great niche, but it's also very competitive. So how would you niche down and out? Well, let's talk about weight loss. It's very competitive. So instead of weight loss in general, let's niche down a little bit. Let's target older men and women that are 40 and above. Let's help them lose weight, but let's take the keto diet. Now we've niched down and we've narrowed down our audience a lot more than just saying, oh, I'm going to talk about dieting or health and fitness. You can do this with any niche. It's a must, because you want to stand out and you want to stay ahead of your competitors. Understanding this concept can save you tons of money in the future. And once you get started, and once you've niched down and out, and once you've asked those three key questions, then you can start learning different things, such as keyword research or long tail keywords, things that are really going to help you stay competitive, and you'll be in a better position to compete in the future. Okay, YouTube, this was a short video. I just wanted to talk about, what you need to do to stand out and be successful with affiliate marketing. Thank you for listening. Remember to niche down and stand out. My name is Juan Drakowskis. I want to help you start making money online. Check out the description here on the YouTube channel. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like. Leave any comments if you want me to talk about something different. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. Peace. Boom. Acabé.